I'm Charlotte from London Art Nanny, and this is Art Splash Online, an online art tutorial for kids, easy to follow step by step. Today we're gonna make slime, and it's the first time that I tried this out and it actually worked out quite okay. So I'm gonna make this with my art kits later today, but I also wanted to share it with you guys so you can try it out at home. It's actually quite fun to play with. So, what do we need to make the perfect slime? Only 4 ingredients, which are PVA glue, baking soda, poster paint or food coloring, and contact lens solution. There are different ways to making slime, but I found this to work out best. Before we get started, please check that you're wearing art-friendly clothes so we don't get stains on your favorite jumpers or school uniforms. Start with 1 cup of PVA glue. Then add a spoon of baking soda and mix it in. Then choose a color for your slime and add that to the mix.
Mix it. Look, I'm making blue slime.
And now for the final ingredient, contact lens solution. Mix in a little bit at a time.
Slime!
This is the ingredient that turns the liquid into slime. You want to be careful not to add too much contact lens solution, because if you do, the slime turns hard and then it doesn't stretch. And when you stretch it, it will finally snap. So now that we added all of our ingredients, we're going to move on to the final part, which gets a little bit messy and sticky in the beginning. Don't panic at this stage though, your fingers will get a bit sticky, but the more you work with the slime, the less sticky it gets. If your slime is still too sticky, you can add a little bit more contact lens solution, but remember not to put too much because then it will snap when you stretch it. I would recommend only using one hand when you are mixing the slime, because then you have one clean hand in case you need to add a little bit more of the contact lens solution.
Bullet slime! Yay, we did it!
The slime is ready when you can touch it and stretch it without getting messy hands and not getting sticky anymore. And now you can play with it. I would recommend this for kids over 3 years old. If you want to try different textures, you can try to add shaving foam and glitter and maybe hand cream to make it smell nice. But do that before you add the contact lens solution. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share and subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos.
I never made slime before. This slime is really. Look, a tiny piece.
Thanks for watching.
So fun. He loves it.